Hi there, this is Fixed It. I've had this dripping tap for some time and I was hoping that COVID would go away so I would get somebody in to fix it, but I really just need to do it myself. The thing is, I don't know which of the two taps it is that's dripping, because obviously it's a dual tap system. So the first thing I need to do is to turn off the water. Most modern sinks are fitted with emergency stop valves, which are around the back of the pedestal, but they're not that easy to get to. If you go around the back of the pedestal and look with a torch, you'll see that the stop valves are at the top of the pipes, and depending on the direction that they're facing in means whether or not you'll be able to get a screwdriver in there to unscrew it. Obviously, if you can't get a screwdriver in and all your pipes are copper, then you're going to have to take out the sink base, the sink and the taps in order to do the job. If, however, you're in a modern house, then the pipes will be plastic and the connection to the tap is by a braided metal flexible pipe, which means that they will flip out like that, and that's how you get at the valves. So you don't have to disconnect everything in order to get at the valves. You just need to pull them out from around the back very gently so you don't loosen anything. So they're now accessible, and now I need to have a look at the taps. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the Fixed It channel and share it with your friends and relatives, and check out my plumbing playlist for lots more plumbing tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.